Welcome to Archer Learnings. And in this video, we're going to see how to convert a text into a QR code and a QR code to text. We're going to see how to convert a text into QR code image file, QR code in an image file, and then QR code image file to the text. This is what we're going to see today. And before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you have any other comments, mention them in the comment section below. So let's get started now. The first thing that you need to do is go to manage packages and click on all packages and type QR, and then you can see the UiPath QR code lib activities here. Just click on that and click on install, then save it. Just give a couple of seconds for this to download the package. So here you can see the QR code lib activities are added to our activities panel. So these are the four activities that we have: QR read from image, read from path, write to image, write to path. So first we will see how to write a QR code to the path, and then we will see how to write it to an image. The first thing is the QR write to path. Here you can also provide the height of the QR code. It with the default is 250 pixel, and the message that need to be encrypted to a QR code, and the path where it need to be stored. If it is not given, then it will store the default name as you can see here QR code and the current timestamp. It will store it in that way. If you doesn't provide a path to it, you can also provide the width and how much. The default is 250, so the height and width is 250 into 250 pixels, and here you need to provide the message. So the message that I am going to provide is welcome to Archer Learnings, and subscribe for more videos. So this is the text that I have given here. Welcome to Archer Learnings, and subscribe for more videos. So this is the text that I want to convert it into a QR code. Let me show you without giving the path. If you give the path, it will store the path in that way. So let me run this without giving any path over there, so you can see how it is storing the QR timestamp. The process is started and the process is executed successfully. So you can see here it is the QR code PNG, the timestamp. So let me open this and show what is the QR image that we got from this activity. Okay, you can see over here, this is the image that we got, QR code PNG. The text that I have given is converted into this QR code. So keeping this aside, now I will show you how to write the QR to an image. So we can drag that activity over here. So here also you can specify the height, which is 250 pixel default, and here you need to mention the message. Here I will provide thanks for watching. This is the message that I need to encrypt for the QR code. So I am given the word here width. The width you can also provide the width. It is default, it is 250 pixel. I will keep it same, 250 into 250. Then this is the result of the image. This will be stored in the form of an image. So let me make it as QR image. So the data type for this particular result is an image. Here you can see the variable type is image, and QR write to image. So we have writing that to an image. Now we need to save that particular file. So let me take an activity which is save image. Here I need to provide the image variable here in the input file name, the file path where you want to save the image and its name. Note all strings have to be replaced between quotation marks. And this is the image that you want to save into your disk. Only image variables are supported. Here you need to take QR image. Here the path, let me store it into the main path, so I will give as QR image dot jpg. So let me quickly run this one, so and see how it is going to save. The robot is started now and it is ended in 1 second, and you can see this is the second file that is generated from that 2135, and then this is the QR image. Let me open this QR image. So you can see this is also converted into a QR image. This is how you can convert a text into QR image. Now we will see how we can convert this particular QR image into the text. So this is done. Now there is another activity which is QR read from image and then QR read from path. So let us see both two at a time. If you need to read from the image, then you need to pass on the image variable which need to be decoded. Here we need to use another activity which is load image, which will give us the image output variable as a image variable type. So here we need to provide the path, that is QR image. Here let me copy this and then paste it over here. So I will decode this one first and then the path second. So here it will give me an output variable which is image variable. So let me make it as image variable, and here we need to pass the image variable which is image variable. The message output will be, let me take it as QR path. So I will drag a message box over here to check the output of this one. This is the message box. Let me drag another message box here to see the second image path, and this QR path. Here you need to provide the path of the file, which is this path. So let me take this path, let me copy this one and get back to the studio and pass that path, particular path. It is a PNG file, so we'll give it that as .png, and here the output variable will be, we will make that as QR1 path, and in this message box we need to pass QR1 path. So this is it on how to convert a text into QR image and a QR image to text. So let me run this one and see the message boxes. One is welcome to Aditya Learnings and subscribe for more videos, and the other one is thanks for watching. Here you can see the first one, which is thanks for watching, and then the second one is welcome to Aditya Learnings and subscribe for more videos. This is the QR code that we have given here in the text. You can see that here it is thanks for watching. Here you can see welcome to Aditya Learnings and subscribe for more videos. This is the text that we have converted into QR image, and we have given that path over here, and it is decoded that QR code. And this is how you encode and decode the QR codes in your path. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos, and thanks for watching.